Kinetic energy is the energy an object has because it's moving. So the faster an object is moving, the greater its kinetic energy. When an object is falling, it is gaining kinetic energy since it is accelerating under gravity. This energy is transferred from the gravitational potential energy it is losing. An object will maintain this kinetic energy unless its speed or mass changes. It can be calculated using Ek is equal to 1 over 2 mv squared, where Ek is the kinetic energy in joules, m is the mass in kilograms, and v squared is the velocity in meters per second. Let's look at this example to get a better understanding. Say that a body is traveling with a speed of 15 meters per second and has a kinetic energy of 1500 joules. If the speed of the body is increased to 15 meters per second, estimate its new kinetic energy. So first, let's calculate the mass since there's no change in mass for the body. So we have Ek is equal to 1 over 2 mv squared, and then we can rearrange for m, which will give us m is equal to 2 times Ek over v squared. And now we can simply plug everything in from the first scenario, which will give us 2 times 1500 over 15 squared, which gives us 13.33 kilograms. And now we can use the kinetic energy formula for the second body, or the second scenario, which will give us 1 over 2 times 13.33 times 50 squared, which is equal to 16,662.5 joules.